Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to post your new job on Facebook step by step. If you find our videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. On the main screen, tap on the What's on Your Mind section. This is where you begin creating a new post. Step 3. Scroll down the options until you see Life Event. Tap on it to continue. Step 4. From the list of life events, choose Work. This is where you can share updates related to your career. Step 5. Select New Job. This option is perfect for announcing your latest career move. Step 6. Next, you'll be prompted to add an employer. Tap on it and type in the name of your workplace. You can also specify the date when you started this new job. Step 7. Once you've added the details, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. Step 8. Now you'll see the audience selector. Choose who you want to share this post with. It could be public, friends, or a custom audience. Step 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share your exciting news with your Facebook network. And that's it. Your new job announcement is now live on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.